Hello, today I have a 2012 Volkswagen CC. I just want to show you how to remove the seats to get to the fuel pump. So first you're gonna bump up this, put it up like this, and then you're gonna hammer it in, push it in like this, then it will come out. And here is the fuel pump behind the passenger side. What you just need to do is remove this red tip, move it up, then remove this plug, and then you can hammer this, get a hammer and a flat screwdriver or something, and hit it this way until you lose this racket, then it will come up. This one was smell fuel inside, and I found a crack over here. That's where the fuel smell come from. So I made this video. It's easy to remove this fuel pump. Just made it for the seat because it take me a while to remove it. So you're gonna bump the seat up from here, then push it in this way so it comes up easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment below.